So hello there, this is Abhishek from Waspnote, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create your own events and add it to your Waspnote. So to create your events, just you navigate to the event menu here over in the top and click on all. Okay. So here you will see a list of events that you have already added in your Waspnote account. Like here, I have added many events by date. Like if I open this event, that first meeting of Lok Sabha, when did it happen? I have just added a single image here and wrote something about this, and this is the title of the event. So let's create one and let's understand that how you can use this particular tool for taking notes smartly. Okay, let's click on add and enter the title. Like today, today is 22nd June. So what happened on 22nd June in history? Let's know this. I have already searched today's date on Google, and I found this on Google that on 22nd June 1941, Nazi Germany launched Operation Barbarossa, a massive invasion of the Soviet Union. So let's add this one. Okay, just copy this one and let's write here Operation Barbarossa. Operation Barbarossa, and click on add. Okay, as you can see here that the Operation Barbarossa has been added in my account. Let's click on it and then click here. And if you like to add some image for this, you can do that by I'll just copy the image here, or I'll just drag it and drop it here. I must drop it somewhere like here, yeah, at the end. And the image has already been updated, and let's enlarge the image. You can add any image here, and you can add as many images as you want, or you can write as many words and letters as you want. Okay, and there are some tools over here that you can use to beautify your event, or you can say note. So you must be knowing these tools if you have ever used MS Word. So these are similar things. The special thing that I want to talk about is this table that you can create just by just by hovering over these, like 6 rows, columns. This is a very simple tool. And the special tool that I was talking about is this. This is the Ask Wasp. If you do not know something about some kind of topic, then you can just search here. This is completely a AI based tool which will give you answer. Like if I do not have enough information about Operation Barbarossa, let's search here that whether it can give me the information or not. Operation Barbarossa, Nazi Germany. Okay, let's ask the question. Okay, it's fetching the answer for us, and it might take some time, and it also depends upon your internet speed. So I'm sorry, I cannot generate inappropriate or offensive content. So the AI has been restricted for some kind of information, but but it has told us about the Operation Barbarossa, that it has some information. Operation Barbarossa was the code name for the Nazi Germany's invasion of the Soviet Union during the World War II. It began on 22nd June 1941. If you want, then you can also save it as a question answer, which I will talk to you in later videos. Okay, or add it to your note. Like if I click on add it to your note, as you can see here that the section has been added in my note here, and like a question answer, like Operation Barbarossa, Nazi Germany here, written here, and the you can just edit this. You can just copy here. If you do not want this to be here, you can just copy it. And I guess this is the best thing that you can see here. Okay, this is the best thing that you can do with this particular tool, and you can just copy here on your own. Okay, and if you want to remove this, then you can just remove it just by typing backspace. Okay, and I have got some extra information from the Ask Wasp. This, as I have already told you, that this is a very interesting and very helpful AI-based tool. Okay, let's remove this particular thing. Okay, now the note has been added. Okay, so let's now give it a date. When did it happen? So 22nd June. Let's second 22nd, and from January I'll select June. Okay, 22nd June. Sorry, select the day again. 22nd, yeah. And when did this happen? I guess, yeah, 1941. So right here, 1941 and 80. After you know about 80. So there are three options: AD, BC, before Christ era, or ago. It means some years ago. Okay, you can just choose any of these three options. Okay, you can also add video timestamps just by clicking here. Just search the timestamps that you have already added. I have only one timestamp added in this account named marker. You can name your timestamps as you want from while watching YouTube videos. I'll also maybe make a video on this particular tool as well, which has already been added in Waspnote for the convenience of taking notes. And for this sake of video, I'm not going to do this. I'll make a separate video on this particular tool. Okay, and I just wanted to show you that this is also a very important tool that you can use for taking your notes or making your notes better for revision. Okay, and here you can see title. You can just click on it and change the title or edit it, and just hover out, and it has already been saved. You can just if you want to add this particular event to a timeline, I'll make a separate video on the timeline as well. Okay, if you want to add this particular note to your timeline, then just click here and search for the timeline that you already have. I have only one timeline named History of Indian Parliament that I have created with the letter T. So I'm not going to add this in this particular timeline because it doesn't belong to this particular timeline, I guess. So that is why, and I'll make a separate video on this as well. So don't worry, and then cancel it. You can preview your event. Like if I click here, yeah, I have already the event has already been saved, and as you can see here, whenever you are revising your notes or events, you'll see this format. Okay, that you have already created. You will see this format while you will be revising your notes. Events date is mentioned here. The title of the event is here, and who is the author? You are the author, obviously. So you'll be here, and all the information that you have added in this particular event is here. And later you can also add this event in your notes for the reference purposes. Okay, you can share your event, like share with someone who already has a Waspnote account, or make it public so that everyone can see this and share the link. And you can also export this event like by clicking here export, but right now I'm not going to export it. I'll make a separate video on this particular tool as well. There are like I said, there are tons of features in this particular note taking tool which will help you taking notes and revising it in a better way, so it will make your experience very better. Now let's close it. So this was a short video, I guess, which will really help you in making events. So, and you can also filter out events just by like here you can see the box named event filter. You can just choose the date, like if I choose 22nd, okay, June, year, I guess it was 1941, I guess. And if I filter it, yeah, Operation Barbarossa has been here. Only the Operation Barbarossa has been listed here, just because on this particular date only Operation Barbarossa happened according to the list I have added, the events I have added in my Waspnote account. You can also filter it by the date created, when you created this particular event. So this filter you will see everywhere, but this is a special filter just optimized for the event. Okay, you can also search inside your events by clicking here. So since my account is a premium account, so I can search inside my event. If you do not have a premium account, then you won't be able to search inside your events, but you'll be able to search your events just by title. Okay, yeah, I guess that's fine for someone who do not want to just get deep into the events and notes. So this was a short video on event. If you like this, then stay tuned. And in future, I'll be making tons of videos on the features of Waspnote, which you can use to optimize or enhance your study experience. So hello there, this is Abhishek from Waspnote, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create your own events and add it to your Waspnote. So before proceeding ahead, I would like to tell you one more very important feature about Waspnote. Like I have added this particular event named Operation Barbosa, and you know the date of the event, it was 22nd June. And what is the date today according to me? When this video is being recorded. So today is 22nd June. So let's go to our dashboard and see what changes has happened. As you can see here, that this particular tab is showing something here. Before adding Operation Barbosa event, there was nothing here. It was showing that there is no event related to today's date, but now it is showing Operation Barbosa here. So this is the beauty of this tool, that whenever you will add a particular event and you give it a particular date, like 1 January, 1 June, or anything, then it will show you here, like today is 22nd June, so it will show all the events that you have already added with the date 22nd June. Okay, it will list all the events out, with 22nd June here, so that whenever you go to your dashboard or log into your Westnote account, you will get to know all the particular information, all the events that has happened today, so that you can revise the particular events very easily. And it makes the events and it makes your notes very accessible, and you organize things at one place, which I guess will really help you in your notes taking and revision as well. So this was a very important feature of Waspnote.